What's up, guys? Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. We're supposed to get a pretty bad storm tonight. We already got a good amount of snow. See if I can show you guys this real quick. This is outside on my porch, just under, well, I think we're in the negatives now. We're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches of snow tomorrow, tonight, right now. Well, tonight into tomorrow, it's supposed to be negative, real feel of negative 28. So we're gonna record all that. Give you guys kind of a demonstration of what it looks like right now, how deep the snow is. It's supposed to get worse. So as you guys can see, that's the snow we got right now. It's pretty bad, but it ain't the worst I've seen it. Tomorrow's definitely be more interesting. But alrighty, let's get on with this video. What's up, guys? We're outside. It's officially started snowing out. Well, it started snowing this morning. We're gonna shovel out the driveway just in case we have to go anywhere, an emergency or anything like that. And so we're just gonna get this shoveled out a little bit, at least enough room that we can get a run going if we have to. I'm gonna try to use my phone, my other phone, to record me doing it. I hope it turns out good. But yeah, I'll give you guys a real quick video of what it looks like right now. So this is what we're looking at. You guys can tell down there my neighbor snowblow out his, so I gotta shovel mine. It's not as deep, but it's getting there. As you guys can see, my old car is pretty well up onto the old car now. So yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned out. Probably gonna shovel out to at least the truck and then come back in and get warmed up. Maybe I'll continue more, I don't know yet. But all right, let's get the shoveling. What's up, guys? I just want to say thank you guys for the 40 subscribers. Means a lot. Let's keep going. I did make a Facebook post the other day. The goal for the end of the year, at the end of the month, is 100 subscribers. By the end of 2026, the end goal is to be at least at 1,000, which I don't think that's unreasonable. So yeah, thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you guys for coming back and watching more videos. We didn't get as much snow as I thought we were gonna, but we did get a pretty good amount. So once we get out there today, I'll show you guys. But alrighty, let's get to our day. Alrighty, guys, that's probably gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for getting us up to 40, like I said earlier. Like I said, by the end of, I'm gonna do the end of February. I want to be at least 100 subscribers. If we have more, that'd be awesome. But I at least want to be at 100. But thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.